guys. All right, so today I bring you Ipsy. This bag is so freaking late. Like, I just got this thing yesterday. I recorded my video yesterday and I was editing it and decided that I really freaking hate it. So here we are again, doing this thing again. I'm gonna put down my Starbucks drink and I'm gonna show you guys what I have in my Ipsy bag for July. I'm really hoping that my August bag will not be as late. This thing was ridiculously late. I usually get my bags around mid-month, and I mean, like, I literally got this at like the end of the month. I mean, it's ridiculous, but whatever. All right, so I still don't have a desk. As you can see, I'm like literally against the wall. So, yeah, I need to find a desk like this weekend or next weekend or something, or make one. So let me put my drink down and we'll get started. On another note, I want to show you guys real quick my cute like $3 shirt. I usually don't wear bright colors, but it's Stitch. How cute is that? I love Stitch. He's like everything. Okay, fix that. Okay, so Ipsy for July. The bag is totally cute. It's totally iridescent looking, super cute. So, I mean, totally worth the wait. And like my bag this month is awesome. And so it was worth the wait. It's just, I hate that it was so late because it pushes my videos back. And I haven't been able to do an unbagging unboxing video in forever. Like my BoxyCharm is so late. It's still not here. I don't know if it went to my dad's house, if it's coming here. It's supposed to be coming here. And I'm like, okay, where did it go? So I'm like, Ipsy for June and BoxyCharm for June, they are literally at my dad's house. So my dad lives in the same state as I do, but he's about an hour and 15-20 minutes away. So yeah, I have to like drive to his house and stuff to go get that stuff. So I was gonna do like a jumbled unboxing and unbagging on that, but I'm not even gonna bother because this month's almost done. August is right around the corner. Why? Plus, I have 5 kids. All 5 of my kids are going to school this year. Granted, they're being homeschooled, but all 5 of my kids are going to school this year, and I still have to finish enrollment for them. So, yeah, fun stuff. Anyways, let's get on to this thing instead of standing here and babbling. So, yeah, this bag is super cute, and I'm going to show you guys what I got inside of it, except for this that I threw inside of here. See, I'm a jumbled mess. Okay, so first things first is I got the Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Moisturizer. Now, if you've never tried this stuff before, I highly recommend it. I mean, this stuff, when I saw that I was getting it, I was so excited because this stuff smells amazing and I need like a huge bottle of this. It is awesome. I have super dry skin. I have my whole entire life, and I also have 2 different skin conditions on top of the dry skin. So I have eczema and then I have another skin condition. And this does not bother me at all. I love it, and it's amazing. Totally recommend it. So I got this, of course, and then I'm not going to swatch this just because everyone's skin's different colors. So, and like I said, everyone's skin's different colors. So some people are going to have trouble with this. Some people aren't. But this is a Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer. I was so excited that I was one of the people that was getting this. This is in light medium. And I'm in the summertime, I'm like a tan. So this is perfect color. Please excuse my horrible nails. I have not had a chance to paint them. I just found all of my nail polishes, so I will be doing that after this video. But this is a full-size tube. I mean, yeah, amazing. So, I'm actually wearing this today, so, because I had to try it out. Had to. And I fell in love with it. I love the formula, and out of all the concealers I've ever used, I would say this one, ranks up there. So totally awesome. All right, so next I got the City Color Cosmetics City Chic eyeshadow. And this is in Skinny Latte. Let me try to open it here. All right, so this is in Skinny Latte. And as you can see, it's a super light color. The formula itself is real smooth. And it gives good pigment. But as you can see from my finger, it's really light. Now, I decided to give this a go today too, as a base for what I'm wearing, which is more of a smoky eye today. And it's really pretty, but it blends in with my skin, like, really well. You could hardly see it when I put it on as a base. So, I mean, once it was blended out a little bit, it was more like a frost on my lids, and that was it. I mean, it's really pretty, and like the formula itself seems really pigmented and really good. And like, not creamy, but like just so soft. But it's like a good transition base shadow, so I'm not mad at it. All right, moving on. We have the Sugar eyeliner in this beautiful purple. Now, this is Purple Rain, I believe. Yeah, number 2, Purple Rain. And I decided to give this a go too. Come on, which is why you can see some remnants right there. So this is a nice formula. As you can see, I mean, it's super creamy. And it went on like super smooth. So I'm going to play around with it a little more. But so far I like it. I like it because it's a darker color too. I tend to kind of move towards the darker colors. And then occasionally I'll wear like bright colors. But like, I mean, it's kind of rare to see me even in a shirt this color. Just because I am more of a dark color person. So, but this, I am wearing this today on my upper lids, and it was super creamy, easy to put on. It went on pretty nice, so I'll play around with it some more. And then the last thing I got, which I was also super excited about, is It's a 10 Miracle Even, and this is light. Now, they have this one, and they have the purple and blue bottle. I usually get the purple and blue bottle, but this works just as well. And it's awesome. So if you've never tried It's a 10, I totally recommend it. Totally worth it. It's worth the money. It's a little expensive for the big bottles, but it is an amazing leave-in conditioner. I color my hair all the time. So this is like highly recommended. My mom's a cosmetologist. She recommends this stuff like to the T. She always yells at me whenever I'm out because she's like, you gotta go get more. So yeah, this stuff is great though, especially if you have like thin hair like I do, or if your hair is damaged from coloring or what have you. I recommend this stuff. So totally worth it. I love it. Also, I am an affiliate with It's a 10, so I will leave my link below where you guys can get, I think it's like, I want to say it's like 10% off your orders, and I think it might be free shipping too. So I will leave my link below in the description box, so if you guys want to order It's a 10, go for it. Totally, totally worth it. All right, so that's going to do it for Ipsy for this month. I'm kind of looking forward to seeing, I just totally dropped that. I'm totally looking forward to seeing what the bag looks like for August, as well as what I get in my August bag. So it should be fun. So I'll see you guys as soon as my BoxyCharm arrives, so I can do an unboxing of that. Hopefully it'll be soon. If it bumps into August, I'm super, super sorry. You know, August 1st is next Wednesday, so if my July BoxyCharm unboxing video kind of runs into August, I'm super sorry. It's not my fault. It's just taking forever. I really hope it's going to be here this week, but I can't promise anything just because it's just taking forever, and I don't know why. So, but with that, I'm going to go ahead and leave this video here. If you guys do want me to unbox my June stuff, just let me know in the comments. I'm not against doing that. So just let me know, and if it's something that you guys want, then I'll go ahead and do it. So, but other than that, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. And If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you.